4 limits over 10 pounds yesterday.
Hooked up.
Oh, buddy. I'm gonna have to get back there. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Yeah.
Beautiful Milford Lake
Let's
smallmouth.
go.
Biggest one of the day, it looks like.
Yep.
That's what we need. Hold her up, up, up. Let's go.
4.8.
4.8.
Biggest of the week so far.
Beautiful smallmouth. God. God.
5 minutes from being down almost 4 pounds to being
Yeah.
up more than 2 pounds.
7 pounds with 3
4.5.
fish right now because of a 4.5 pounder, the biggest bass we've seen today and the biggest bass we've seen this week. He knew as soon as he set the hook, I'm gonna need to get to the back probably at some point. That's always a good feeling. But Tucker Smith, that's what we were saying. You wanna always be, and these guys don't know the weights right now, they're competitors. You wanna be within one bite. The opportunity of one hook set can jump you from behind to ahead, and he has done that with the last 2 hook sets, a 110 and a 4.8. Have Tucker Smith riding high right now.
And again, we've mentioned it that, you know, yesterday a lot of these fish or a lot of these, you know, competitions were one bite away, and that one's going to pay huge dividends for him.
It changes it a lot. I mean, that's the big bite that I've been looking for all last couple days, but still got to catch some good ones too, because, you know, fishing against Brody today, and he's grown up fishing against him too. And he's definitely a threat. He's really, really good, so we're gonna have to catch him still. But it helps a lot. I'm gonna catch as much as I can today. Yeah, come on.